Got it here, world's first electric salad strainer. Check this out, rechargeable. That's one of a kind. I never seen anything like that. So you looks like can rinse off your salad in here. Even it pulls out. It looks like there's no more water left. You see, it's almost empty. Let's empty it out. Boom, empty, no water. Let's see how well it strains. Is it spins in there well? Yes. Sits in there pretty easily. Okay, and just press it. Wow, it's going fast. Wow, as you can see, I cannot even hold it tight. It's going in and out. Then going the other way. It's very fast, wow. That's pretty awesome. Then turn it off. Check this out. That's crazy. That salad is, or whatever, is very dry. Look how much water we have spinned out. That's quite a bit of water, don't you guys think? Wow. Actually turned green. So yeah, definitely one of a kind salad spinner. Just press it and go. Look how fast it goes. That's so unique. Have you seen anything like that? Got it here, new can opener. Let's see what this one is all about. Looks like there's a bottle opener, jar lifter, and what I'm really curious about is actual can opener. So it's a safety can opener. Let's see how it does. So just twist it. Wow, it's so easy. That's kind of fun. So all it is prise it open. Nice. It grabs it so well to where the whole thing comes out. You see? There's no sharp edges. Let's try a different kind of jar over here. Goes on it really easy and tight, and each spin moves pretty fast, as you can see. I guess I could just go like that. That's what it's made for. Whoops. Oh wow, it's done, that means. That's cool. Wow. That is even easier than I thought. You just put it in, tighten it, hold it, and spin it. That is cool. I'm just gonna use 2 fingers so you can see, but you just put the whole hand on. Super nice and easy. Check this out. Keep on going. And once it's done, it's done. I guess you spin it the other way and it comes off. And again, no sharp edges, and it comes off easily. Versus, remember the ratchet one, I have to use the teeth to pull it up. This one seems to be even easier. Very nice, and it's 3-in-1. Bottle opener and jar lifter and can opener. Beautiful. Another new gadget over here. This is onion saver by this big company. It looks like a very stretchy part over here. Okay, simple instructions. Just cut an onion in half. Let's say you want to use a half. Oh, that's a bad onion. No point saving this one. Okay, that's a better onion. Let's say all we need is half. Or whatever. So let's say we need a smaller half. You used it up. You don't want to just put it in the refrigerator. It's gonna stink it up. So you put your onion this way and just get rid of the debris. Just push it in and lock it up. Nice. So obviously it has no problem stretching this much. Let's put even bigger piece of onion. Will it actually stretch? No problem. Yeah, that's kind of cool gadget. You know what? I think it could be used with a lemon as well. So nice juicy lemon. Boom. Let's say you only use this much. Obviously wash it off from the onion, and let's see if it's gonna stretch out far enough. Yeah, it's stretched out pretty good, and it's gonna last longer, obviously, because it's pushed in into this plastic edge. But I kind of like it for onion better because it's not gonna smell up your refrigerator. Just want to show you this part is pretty stretchy. Look how stretchy that is. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, not that stretchy. Another egg opener. So this time around is metal. Try to put to the test plastic one. One of these things have broke down on me. So metal is obviously will be way better. So let's see how it works. You just drop an egg in here. This is the larger egg. And then you just push it and there's two blades will crack it open. Let's see. Okay. Not exactly what we expected. First one always fails for some reason. Okay, let's try this again. At least I don't see any eggshell falling in there. You see how it's gonna push up the egg into this blade before it's going to crack it. Okay, egg opener, there goes nothing. Looks like it opened it on the own side. Wow, that's totally a fail. Okay, one more time. These eggs are too big or something. It definitely did it this time, but I don't know if it's very effective. I love it when they make unique gadgets, don't you guys think? Okay, there's a smaller egg. Will this one do it? Let's see. Okay, it works with the smaller eggs way better. As you can see, it dropped it pretty good, but there is an eggshell. And this is why we put to the test the gadgets. Let me modify this gadget a little bit. I'm gonna push this down, fold this down a little bit, see if it's going to help. Okay, push it down a little bit. I know, it definitely opens the eggs. But look at that, it kind of breaks the shell into multiple pieces. It doesn't open it like they say it's an egg opener. Got it here, nuclear ice maker. So the way you use it is just grab this water and just fill it up into this hole. I guess what we could do is just fill it up and then set the plastic inside there. It says use filtered water for better outcome. There's holes on the bottom as well. So if not enough, you can just fill it up more. Boom. So let's see what we got right here. Pull this out. There's gonna be solid block of ice. What we're chasing for is right here. So how do we open it? It's all frozen to the side. I guess we can break this ice off. Okay, finally broke it off. And let's open it. See what's inside. Will it be clear ice? Ah, not so much. Happens, you see? It's a nice round balls, but it didn't work to where it's a clear ice. Even though I used the filtered bottled water, I didn't use the sink water, and it still didn't work that well. Just cannot get them all, you see? It's nice whenever you wash it off. Almost clear ice, but as you can see, quite a few imperfections on the inside of it. So yeah, that's not a perfect ice maker right here. It's a cool little balls right here. Let me wash this one off. This one is even worse. I used bottled water, still didn't make it super nice clear ice. This is why we test them, so that way we know which ones are making nice ice balls, which ones are not. So yeah, this one definitely didn't work.